Oh yeah. So I remember during now what you have to do is okay. So the first is hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Prakriti. So for today's video, it's gonna be a hairstyle video. I'll be showing you 5 different hairstyles that you can pair up with Indian wears or Western wears accordingly. So there are basically some of the hairstyles which is very easy to go, and maybe you guys know and you really practice that. And certain hairstyles, and there will be 2 to 3 hairstyles which are like building up proper braids, and that needs a lot of time as well as a lot of practice. And I also learned over years, not like this is the first day I came up and doing. No, I have been tying my own hair since class 8. So I remember when we used to go to school, तो उस समय क्या होता था, मेरी मम्मी के पास उतना टाइम नहीं होता था कि वो मेरे को और मेरे भाई को तैयार करे. उसके बाद she have to prepare lunch for us and then making my hair. So it was a really hectic task for her. So that time I decided, it was in class 8. So by the time I decided to tie up my own hair, I think I learned from 7 or 8. Yeah. All the hairstyle that I will be showing you today, all are applicable for both short hairs and long hairs, no matter what. So no matter what, you all can do that. So I will be basically showing you all the hairstyles now, and you guys come along with. So before that, if you're coming here for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. Please do consider subscribing to my channel and join this family. I hope you will have a really great time here with me. So without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. All the hairstyles are very easy, and you won't be needing any kind of heat or any kind of gadget to do your hair, to set your hair. Okay, only you will be needing these bobby pins. These are the pins I got, and a comb. That's it. So for the first hairstyle, what you have to do is you have to push back your hairs all behind, okay, like this. And now you have to part your hairs from the middle. Try to do this part as neatly as possible. So yeah, so this is the way you have to part your hairs. And I didn't tell you, so this hairstyle gonna be like parting your hairs into 2 sides and then twisting behind. Okay, so this is the first one. So now I will take a really small piece from here like this. Okay, now I will start rolling it. Along with rolling it, I will take small chunks of hair and twist it along with. Okay. You have to do it till this part, like तुम्हारा ईयर के टॉप मोस्ट पोर्शन में, जैसे कि ऐसे तुम बॉबी पिन लगा सकते हो. ठीक है, इतना ही. ओके, सो नाउ आई विल टेक अ बॉबी पिन. ये बॉबी पिन बोलते हैं ना, हेयर पिन. Okay, so now I will take this hairpin. This is how. So now I will do on this side as well. Then I will see you. I think this side is quite loose, so I will fix another pin. You can do it. You can fix this twisties with 1 or 2 pins, but don't do more than that because it can ache your skin. Okay, and it will be more neat if you just do with 1 pin. I have a really thick hair, so it was not holding. So yeah, this is the first thing. Take time and do it neatly. So this is how the twisties look like. So you can keep this look like this, and this can be your first hairstyle. But sometimes I like to do extension of this one. So this is as a whole is very pretty, very sweet. So the first thing is that you can open your hair. So this is the first one. Okay, the second extension of this hairstyle is you can just go for this thing, that take all the hairs and start rolling it, and you have to make a bun like situation. So what you do is this. Now you have to twist and roll like this, twist and roll. Okay, let me show you again. So you have to like twist and roll. Okay, now fix this thing with a pin. You can go for this kind of pin as well, and it will look something like this. I'm not doing the fixation, I'm not doing it really well. You can add more pins as well. I've just done for a second now because I will show the third extension of this one, that you can make a braid out of it. So how you can make the braids. So now what you have to do, the simple braid, or you can try it. What you do is divide your hair. Let me show you like this way. This is basically the easy one, the one we everyday do. Even this hairstyle I have done in my Punjabi look wala video, and then you have to just tie it. Let me get a rubber band. So now this kind of rubber band you use to tie at the end. This thing we all know, correct? So if you don't know, learn it from it. I think it's pretty easy. I will show more kind of braids now. So this is basically the third extension of the first look, okay? So now moving to the fourth hairstyle, what you have to do is, like I've already did, like you have to part your hair sideways, okay? Any side of your choice, which one you prefer, and you do. So like this, you have to part it, okay? And it will be a kind of open hairstyle. Again, you have to, so it consists of two twisties. I will do along this side, and then, okay, see how I do. So first, again the same way, I will take hair. So now I will do two twisties one after another. So I am taking this one upper portion, bilkul aise topmost portion mein. Then another twisties I will start from here. So I am taking this. So take small chunk of hair like this, small chunk of hair, and you start twisting it. You don't have to do much. Like this much is enough. Yeah, so this much is enough. Now take a pin, hair pin, and tie it. That's it. So leave enough space for the second one as well. So here again I will take another strand, and make sure you start just from here. So this area doesn't become really clumsy. You have to take the whole part right from this hairline, okay? So take this, and same way, like similar way, you make twisties out of it. So, and now you take it back and check where you have put the first pin. Similar way, you can use the same pin, or also you can go for another pin as well. It is very neat if you use single pin. It's much more preferable, okay? But my hair doesn't hold, so I go for two pin. And rest hairs you take in front and just do this thing, twist it from the end. This is what I do. This is what she does, and I followed her literally. So yeah, this is the it's very pretty, you know, just so much tucked up from this portion. And so for the last hairstyle, it's a kind of braid and it's called the French braid. So it's a French braid, and I will show you the easiest way how you can do it. Okay, so only you'll be needing is this one. That's it, like a rubber band. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, first of all, for doing it, you have to really nicely comb your hair. That is the first step, and make sure you comb your hair really nicely. I don't really have a very beautiful or silky straight hair. That is not the case. Okay, so now let's quickly start. What I will do, I will take my hairs right up like this. Do this thing really nicely and neatly so that all your hairs are just up, and divide this portion. So this is the topmost portion and this is the down portion. Leave it and start with the topmost portion. Now you have to do from here one braid, and then you have to mix this braid with this one with the rest of the hair. So and start doing it. I will divide my hair into 3 parts. Simple as a simple, the 3-strand braid we do. We will start doing it. बहुत small portion में जाना. Now take some from here, like just beside your ears. Take some from both the side and rest which is in the middle. And divide your नीचे का जो भी leftover hairs था उसको 3 में divide कर लो and start mixing with this one. Okay, let me show you. Just like this. And it's just like this, okay? Now go for time rest. This is really easy. You can do, but this needs a lot of practice to be really perfect. And so before going to school, I used to do this every single day, and I used to tell my mom if it is correct or not. Sometimes it was like ऐसे tilted हो जाता था, कभी-कभी सही हो जाता था. तो ऐसे करके ही मैंने सीखा है. Not like in one day I did. So yeah, you need a lot of practice. Okay, so what you can do just to make your hair look much more thicker, you can just pull it from the arm. Don't do at the down, but from the up so that it look like this, the triangle like the fishtail like, yeah, the fishtail like situation. So you just do it from the up ऐसे थोड़ा बहुत इसको बहुत light handedly करना, ऐसे नहीं पूरा खोल ही दूँ. Okay, so just do it like this to make it much more thicker. It may happen that some of the hairs can go like pinch out of the braids because you have different cuts, but that's okay. It look cute, so don't worry about it. So yeah, see, like this, it may happen. Some just pinches off your braids, so it's okay. It look cute, doesn't look bad. So yeah, this is how. And let me show you from behind how it looks. See, something like this. Today no one is there to help me. This way. A bit tough. So yeah, this is how. So I have done my best to show you how it looks, and for all the 5 hairstyles I wanted to show you today. I will not mind to show you more in future. A little disclaimer, I'm not a professional hairstylist or something like that. It's something I have learned through time, and that's made me do this video today. It is pretty easy. You can do it all. If I can do, you guys absolutely can do it. Okay, so yeah. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up and comment section में ज़रूर लिखना if you have liked it or not. And what you can do is that you can join this family by subscribing to my channel. I hope you will have a really great time here with me. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you so very much.